Hi, welcome to Atlas Atlanta Language School online course for elementary plus level students, level A2 or flyers for international exams. In this video, we are going to help you to speak about your favorite book or your favorite movie in the best way at the international exams. Let's get started. It's a good idea to follow the plan. First, speak about the characters of the story, then about the setting, the place, about the problems the characters may have, and the resolution, like the characters do not have these problems anymore. For example, in the movie and the book Charlie and His Chocolate Factory, the main character is Charlie Bucket. And you can also speak about the members of his family. So there are 7 members of the Bucket family. They include Charlie, the main character, his grandpa, Joey, Grandma Josephine, Grandpa George, and Grandma Georgina. And of course, his parents are the characters too, Mr. and Mrs. Bucket. And all of his grandparents are over 90. That's an interesting fact to mention too. The second main character is Willy Wonka. He is extraordinary, like super. He is a chocolate making genius. He can make the best chocolate in the world. We can mention that he has his father and he is a dentist. Charlie and his family live in a wooden shack. Their house has only one bed, and the roof is full of holes. The Bucket family doesn't have enough money to fix it up. They are always hungry, and Charlie can't eat his favorite food, chocolate, very often. Willy Wonka was born in a rich family. But he had a problem. He was forbidden, no, to eat any candy, because his father, Wilbur Wonka, was a dentist who hated candies, especially chocolate. So Wonka left his home, he traveled a lot. His chocolate factory is his home now. He's happy but lonely. Willy Wonka chose to invite 5 people, 5 kids, into his factory. He wanted to find someone he could trust to make this person the next chocolate factory owner. Let's speak about the resolutions and do a grammar exercise. As you know, we can tell or write a story using present simple. We can do it using past simple too. Please read the sentences in present simple, convert them into past simple. You may skip this part and start doing the exercise, or you can revise the second form of the verb with me. Let's do it. Say after me, please. Like, liked. Help, helped. Love, loved. Visit, visited. Enjoy, enjoyed. Can, could. Am, is, was. Are, were. Come, came. Lose, lost. Buy, bought. Get, got. Win, won. Have, had. Pause the video and do this exercise, part 1 and 2. Pause this video again and do part 3 and 4 of this exercise. We hope to see you at our online individual or group classes and listen to your story about your favorite book or your favorite movie. To get more information about classes and courses, contact us using this WhatsApp number. See you, like and subscribe. Bye bye.